Okay, so this is an instructional video on how to replace the battery on a Hyundai Getz Remote on the key. So what you'll need is the key, screwdrivers, the new battery, and a bowl. Make sure that the battery is a CR1220. So first, unscrew that one little screw over there, and this is where the bowl comes in, just not to lose any screws. Just get this thing open. With this open, you'll see that there's this little unit with the chip and the button and 4 very small screws on the housing. Use a smaller Phillips screwdriver. I might need a smaller one than that. Let's try the flat. As you can see, that's very small. Put it in the bowl. You don't want to drop that on the floor or on the carpet or something. Just waste time looking for that. Chuck it in there. There you go, all safe in there. Take off the cover, and you'll notice that the battery in there is, if you look on the back of the battery, it usually gives you the make of the battery and what kind of battery it is. Every battery has a number on it. In this case, it's a CR1220 3 volt. So remove that old battery. Chuck that in there. And always remember try and minimize your fingers to touch the poles on the battery, because it's not really good for it. Just chuck it in there. No, not really. There you go. Battery's in there. Press the button. Yeah, it's definitely working. Put the cover back on. And put the screws back in. Try that smaller screwdriver. Smaller Phillips screwdriver would have been ideal in this case, which I just don't have at this stage. Yep. last one. We've got it in there. Yep. Get this back in to the key. Pop on the cover. And chuck in that screw. Screw it up, and that's it. Brand new battery.